Hey Shardians! Today, I'll be showing you how to create a wallet in Keplr and how to stake and unstake your SHM. Simply follow my steps. First, go to Keplr.app and get the Keplr extension for your browser. Once done, click on Create a new wallet. Then, click on Create a new recovery phase. Copy your recovery phase and click on Next. Follow the instructions given on the screen. Search for Shardeum to add Shardeum chain to your Keplr wallet. You can transfer your SHM from your MetaMask to Keplr by following my steps, or you can wait for the official MetaMask integration, which will take place in a week or two. Open your Keplr extension, click on Deposit and search for Shardeum, and click on the EVM address which starts with 0x. Then, go to MetaMask and click on Send. Select Shardeum and paste your Keplr wallet address that you copied. Enter the amount you want to stake and make sure that you include the gas fee as well. To stake your SHM, go to dashboard.shardeum.org and connect your Keplr wallet. Once done, go to the Validators tab and select any of the Foundation Validator nodes. There will be a link to the blog that will state all the official node addresses for your security. Go through them to make sure that your SHM stays safe. Once you click on the Foundation Validator node, click on Delegate to Validator, and it will ask you how much Shardeum you want to delegate. I'll be staking 10,000 Shardeum. And there you have it. It is extremely quick to stake your SHM, and you get your rewards very quickly as well. You can see my SHM reward go up in real time. To unstake, simply click on Undelegate and enter the amount you want to unstake. The tokens stay locked for 21 days and can only be accessed or redelegated after that period. That's all.